Officially live in Madrid, Spain now, right here.
When it's bar meets world, it's bar meets world.
Bar meets world.
When bar's meeting the world, he's snowboarding too. When it's bar meets world.
Yes.
We're in a suburb of Madrid called Alcalá de Henares, and this Airbnb is a bit industrial. Let's check it out. It's really cold, but really cozy. And now we move to the city center of Madrid. I'm really excited. Officially live in Madrid, Spain now, right here. The new neighborhood. Let's check out the new Madrid flat. The kitchen, the baño, and the bedroom, and our huge balcony. This is going to be awesome in the summer. This place is just slightly secure. We have the secure front door, and then this locks automatically from the outside, and then we've got two deadbolts. You'd think we were in the hood, but no, we're not. I am loving how centrally located our flat is. Just a few doors down, we have a walking clinic, and then across the street, we have a little park, and the metro is only about a 5-minute walk away. We have loads of restaurants and bars all around us. We have our local bank right there, and there's also the grocery store just a block away. It is pretty fantastic. I'm really stoked to live here for the next 6 months. It's gonna be so much fun to explore.